Your Majesty, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, our troupe here guarantees a performance like no other. Why, when your grasshopper friends get here, we are gonna knock them dead!
What's in box, Francis? What's in box? What's in box, Francis? Oh my God!
I'm in heaven.
It's out. Look, Francis, it's ladybug over.
Shoo fly, don't bother me.
Look, Francis.
Hey, you said nothing about killing grasshoppers.
It's a ladybug's home. Just open it.
So, being a ladybug automatically makes me a girl. Is that it, fly boy?
Hey, Princess, put it all over it.
Okay, careful.
Yeah. Wow! Look, the ladybug on. 1, 2, 3.
What?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Claus, I'm in heaven.
Wow, look, the bluebird roses. Wow, that's it.
So, being a ladybug automatically makes me a girl. Is that it, fly boy?
I love the bluebird, Francis.
Here, put it in.
We gotta sweeten the deal.
Wow, you got the ladybugs. Let's feed them, Francis.
Put more in.
We gotta sweeten the deal. Oh, hey. You said nothing about killing grasshoppers, pal.
Bye, ladybugs. I'm gonna miss you. Hold on. Let me hold one. I got one.
You got one, right? Say bye-bye.
Love me. Bye-bye. Bye.
Blueberries dismissed! And quit beating the boys up. Those little raisins do grow on me.